I thought I'd start this video out a little bit different. We're at South Llano River State Park in Texas. It's near Junction, Texas. I'm sitting on the at the park headquarters. They have a visitor center here. And we just came off of a hike, and I'm sitting here on the front porch of the park headquarters having a little snack. And this is a cute state park, folks. Let me show you around. When you pull in heading toward the campground, you're going to see the park headquarters off to your right. Where that RV is sitting, you'd actually be going the other direction. He's going out, and he was just hooking his toad up. But you park your RV in there, and then off to my right is the park headquarters. It's a really cute little park headquarters. Go in there and you'll check in. They'll give you a tag for your windshield. There are some very nice campsites down in the campground. I'm going to take you down in there now. We're right here at the park headquarters. Just down the road is the camping area. It makes a loop. And I'm only going to show you the best campsites. Let's get to it. At the beginning of the campground starts the one-way loop. This is the beginning of the loop. You have several campground hosts off to your left. And they like you to keep your RV lights off at night. This is a dark sky park. We thought this was really nice. They even have some firewood in here. It looks like it's by donation as you enter the camping loop. Suggested donation is $5 per bundle. And it looks like the state of Texas takes care of their campground hosts. These are nice looking sites. And you have hot showers and flush toilets in the shower house restroom facility. There's parking out in front. A lot of these sites are small, narrow. Some have a grade to them. I'm only showing you the best campsites. Site number 20 is a nice looking site. You take you back in. These are going to be 30 amp. I do not believe there are any 50 amp sites here. And here's a look at your electric box. You got 30 amp hookup, and your water's right on the back of the post. And then here's your seating area out in here with your lamp post and fire ring. And you got a covered seating area right here. It's a fairly long site. There's a little bit of a grade, but still, if your pickings are slim, Site 20 may work for you. Site 20 would not be my top pick. I'm going to show you my top picks. But right across from Site 20, you're going to find a large parking area, and it's right across from the walk-in tent campsite. So if you're a tent camper, they have separate walk-in tent campsites for you. And there's an overlook trail. There's a lot of trails here in this state park. Site number 23 is going to go down in the book. It is a very long site. You can get just about any size rig in there. And it's going to be a 30 amp hookup with water on the back of the post. And there's your seating area, but you have absolutely no obstructions. So it makes it real nice. There's a slight slope, but my auto level could handle that site. So Site 23, folks, going down the book for you. If you're familiar with the Texas State Park reservation system, Melody and I usually make our reservations the maximum time period out. I believe it's 5 months. And I reserved this site. I'm in Site 33. Sight unseen. They provide you some photos online, but you really can't get a good feel for what the site looks like. And I think a video does a much better job. It's one of the reasons I do these videos. Help you get a better sight before you even arrive. or before you even book. You can see what the site looks like. You can see they don't want you parking off the asphalt. So to get my truck in there, I had to put the tailgate down. And back my truck up like this in order to get both the RV and the truck in the site. You can see my 30 amp hookup. Take you around the back and show you the other side. So this, I would not reserve this site again. There are better sites, and I'll be taking you to those better sites after we leave this is my sitting area here, after we leave my campsite. But you got to drop off on this side. So even Milo, we have to carry him up in the RV. He can't, you know, I don't want him getting hurt jumping up on the step there. But so I would not reserve site 33 again. But this is our campsite. It works. And so let me continue to take you around the campground. I'm only going to show you the best sites, and these sites I'm going to show you right now, they are sweet campsites, folks. So Melody and I just arrived at South Llano River State Park. And again, you know, we picked our site unseen. You got the one photo they have on the online reservation system. But we got in our site, but this is a primo site, folks. And I wanted to video it before somebody pulled in. It is reserved. Site 15. Look at that site. Nice and wide, concreted. Site 15 going down the book. South Llano River State Park, another keeper. Site 43. Look at that site, folks. That is one sweet site. 43 going down the book. I'm filming Melody filming a armadillo. Well, I guess it's not filming, it's recording. But yeah, we just arrived. We've seen deer, loads of birds. The birds are just chirping away here. And now Melody's, I think this is the third armadillo we've seen just in the first hour we've been here.
Look at this little guy. He's foraging for his dinner. Isn't he cute? Hello, little one. Or should I say, hello, big one.
This is the bird blind, acorn bird blind at the South Llano River State Park. Melody and I are taking a morning walk this morning. This is a connector trail that will take us from the campground to the river trail. Let's get to it. So in the connector trail, we have this little map. South Llano River State Park. You are here. So Melody are in this camping area. We're taking this connector trail and we're about right here. And the river trail is backed out in here. You cross a creek on this connector trail. It's a little pond that's set up on the creek. It's not the river. And the river trail is down this way. It is pretty here. And I guess they're calling that pond Buck Lake. So we're at the end of the connector trail from the campground. You can go right or left. I think we're going to go right first, and we'll double back after we check out the Llano River. To our right, then we'll double back and head out toward the park headquarters, which is off to the left. This is a vantage point along the banks of the Llano River, along the river trail within the state park here. Water sure is clear. And we continue up the trail. Some gorgeous scenery along the river trail here. It looks like the river forks right up there. This is one of the forks. That's an island you're looking at right there, but a good bit of water coming through. It is so peaceful and quiet along the Llano River this morning. You can hear the birds chirping. So we turned around and came down the river in the other direction to the left of the connector trail. And there's a river access area the state park has here. Wow. And on your way out of the campground, you'll find the RV dump station and the trash receptacle. From South Llano River State Park near Junction, Texas, I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.